Hi guys, so this is the label trading video. I'm going to show you the strategy that I've used this week. Okay, for the past, I don't know, 6 days, I think now, 5 or 6 days. And you saw yesterday when I showed you, I haven't lost a trade in a good while now. Basically, since I've focused entirely on the labels. All right. Now you can go against the labels. I'll show you how to do that, but I will also show you that you don't really need to go against the labels. You need to be focused on one particular pair at a time, Sarge. This just for you, mate. If you focused, if I show you these setups here, Sarge, and you focused on that one setup, you in one particular setup, right? You could have done a 10-stepper, Sarge. So you'd have done all your trading virtually in that hour and a half in one move. Okay, and to do that, you're just looking basically for a label and a setup. All right, that's it. Let's have a look at a couple of screenshots to start with. Okay, look at these here. Down, down. Even the 15 minutes down. Your 1 hours are down, 15 minutes are down here. Right, this would be a nice setup. Flip down 15-minute BB band here. Probably going to go on and win. Okay, so in effect, you're just looking here and you're saying, right, what have I got? And can I take this BB band break or this orange line break trade? Right, so it's like you're looking at the UJ here. You've got up and down on the 1 hour. Okay, so let's have a look here. First of all, you broke the 1 hour BB band. This was during session. I'll show you this recording. Right, you broke the 1 hour BB band. You got a 15-minute blue and a 5-minute yellow. Look what happened, guys. So Sarge, you'd be doing all your trading in there until another setup appears. So it probably would have been a 5-minute yellow there. And that's how you do, Sarge. Right, okay, all the way down there. All right. Then it goes up again with the 1 hour here. It broke the 1 hour orange line. Here. Right. Did you have a setup? You might not have. I think the 5-minute yellow was late on this, but basically the way you look at this is you broke the 1 hour orange line. You've got a 1 hour label saying up. 5-minute second move it. Bang. Right. And again, Sarge, you were looking 4-stepper easy there, a 4-stepper easy there. Right. Just using those labels and a setup. Okay. Then you had this. Okay. 15-minute big band. There was a yellow. It disappeared. But again, look at the move all the way down here. There was another 4-stepper in there. Right, and all you've done is use these labels here. Okay, GJ was different. Okay, all saying the same thing down. Right, so don't go against it, guys. You've got something like that. Just wait for the downs. You could be trading elsewhere. You could have been trading the GJ, the UJ, okay, or the UCAD down, right? And again, I'll show you the recording on this one, Sarge, and there was a GU move down here, right, that got to here. Then instead of trying to reverse this, Sarge, right, at the same time this was happening, that 15-minute blue appeared there. Okay, and if you looked here, these are both down. So you should have been thinking, right, I'll just move over now and trade this one down with the labels instead of trying to take this against the labels. You understand? Right, so again, that happened. Right, so then there's a nice big move up here. Right, but you wouldn't have been trading that. You'd have been looking elsewhere for something else, another trade. As it happened, I think there was a flip down 5-minute yellow here, which gave another 20 odd pips. You could have traded that. Then, Sarge, these appeared again here at the flip down 5-minute BB band. Okay, with the labels, you took that down. So in effect, Sarge, on this particular day, you were just trading with the labels at any one given time. And as I said with the UJ, this is the one that MT liked because it had up and down. So MT, myself, were trading it up and down because it had both. All you needed was a break of an orange line on the 1 hour or a break of a BB band on the 1 hour. There, bang, 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 and now it's going again. There. And you'll notice that's 22 pips already there, Sarge. And this is way into after session, look. So you'd have easily got a 3-stepper there. Okay, and it was again, look, a 5-minute second move because there was no 5-minute yellow. Okay, you can say to yourself, well, hang on, I'll wait for the 5-minute second move. Bang. All right. Again, you know, you're looking here and everything says up here. So the only safe way to take against this, like, right, because you broke the 4-hour BB band here. You can, in my opinion, you can take this. It's entirely up to you if you go against the labels or if you just look for trades with the labels, right, guys? There may be a day when you have to go against the labels. Look, 15-minute second move. When they're all saying the same thing, that's all you have to do. Look for the 15-minute second move. Don't take it beforehand, because if you'd have taken it here, you'd have lost. If you'd have taken it here, you'd have lost. Alright, so then 15-minute second move, you won. 15-minute second move, you won. Okay, even this one here, you know, on the GJ, which again, and I'm not sure if you had that 1 hour, it could have changed on the way up here, but look, again, 15-minute pullback, second move there, and then a third move there. Look, these, you did have permission here, 4 and 1 hour, saying up and down. Okay, and look what's happened, look. Flipped up 1 hour BB band here, would have had some form of setup, probably a 5-minute yellow there. Can I take it up? Yes. Bang. 1 hour blue appears. Right, did it break the 4 hour? Yeah, broke the 4 hour BB band, you can see there. Okay, broke the 4 hour BB band. Have I got permission? Yes, I can take that down. Yes, I can take that down. 1 hour blue, I got help all the way down to the 1 hour orange line. Right, then again, you're at the 1 hour orange line. Did I get a setup? I think it was here. Okay, so you might have got a 5-minute yellow there, but again, 2 wicks saying nicely, so you could have taken that up. Flip down 15-minute BB band here. 1 hour down, you could have taken that down. You know, but then again, here, look, second move. Okay, so it is pretty easy to do this, guys. It's just a matter of picking, choosing a label and going with that particular label. Okay, 15-minute labels, guys. I think this link now with them all done is perfect, right? Because basically what I've done this week is use the 1 hour labels and the 4 hour labels in session, and then in after session I've looked here and here, because when it slows down, the 5-minute BB bands tend to come into it more. So you might get 5-minute yellows with a 15-minute. You might get a 5-minute yellow here now with a 15-minute up. Kaboom. Okay. Again, you know, look how hard this one was to turn around. Both of these are saying down, but you broke the 1 hour BB band here. You got your blue. I think it might have been NFP or something there for that. But look, eventually, second or third or fourth or whatever move it is there, it left a lot of wicks here. I was in from here somewhere. You know, it took ages to win this one. Right, and then bang. Okay, and then 1 hour BB band, 1 hour down labels, 15 blue, 5-minute yellow, bang. That's it, guys. Get a label, get a setup. Here, broke the 1 hour BB band, right? Did it break the 4? No, here's the thing, guys, look at this, right? Didn't break the BB band, so it didn't need 1 hour support. You see, no 1 hour blue. Okay, but look at this one. Broke the 4 hour here. You've got to think an up label here, so you can take it up. You broke the 4 hour. Did it get long-term help? It got a 1 hour blue. There. And look what that did. With a setup. Okay, you had your setup for the down there. 1 hour down. Broke the 1 hour. 15-minute blue. Look at that, guys. Right, these are not 6-pip wins. These are big trades because you're generally using the 15-minute time frame during session, and then you might flip on to the 5-minute time frames after session. Okay, and again, if you are still using the HA charts for entries, no problem, guys. Carry on. If it's successful for you, do not change what is successful. Okay, you don't change a winning strategy. All right. Okay, so yeah, I think that'll do on them. Right, so I've just got 3 recordings to show you. I'm going to show you an oldish one, and then I'm going to show you the 2 latest. Okay, with the 15-minute labels on. All right, this is the 1-hour labels. This is what I mean, guys. Here, I'm going to pause as soon as it picture clears a bit. There we go. Right, this is what I mean here. You see this? You see this like this? Just don't go against it. You know, there might be a day when you say to yourself, "Well, have to," because everything looks like reversing big trends, right? And the only way to do it is with a 15-minute second move. Look, 15-minute first move here. Okay, you might have won something there, but then bang, 15-minute first move here. Bang, right? 15-minute first move here creates a higher low, not a lower low. And look, it won. Okay, that, you know, no matter what signals appear at the time, the best way to go against this kind of thing when all labels are like that, because basically there's the 4 hours are saying trends down. Okay, look, strong trend down. And the 1 hours are showing you what's been going on recently. Basically, flow. Okay, I'm not trying to complicate it. I'm trying to make it easier for you to understand. So basically, you see this, look elsewhere, or 15-minute second move. That's the only way you should go against them. All right. In fact, if anything here, you should be thinking down. Maybe now. Might want something else here. GJ. Down, down. But just, let's have a look what happened here. Look, you broke the 8-hour and the daily. Right. Did I have permission to take this up? Well, you had a thinking label on the 4 hour. Right. Did I have LT help? Well, I had a 4 hour blue. Probably had a 1 hour blue there as well. So yes. Did I have a setup? You broke the 8 hour and the daily. Look what's happened, guys. First move, bounce. Second move, then it really got going. Do you understand, guys? Because you're going against such strength, your best bet, if you're going to do it, is the second move or even the third move, right? And that just shows you there when you're going with the strength. Okay, look, it was a direct setup. 15 blue, probably had a 5-minute yellow as well, and look at that, bang. Alright, so now we're looking at GJ down. Here's what I mean, Sergeant Pipper. This is what I'm talking about now, mate. You shouldn't be looking at the GU. UCAD, you shouldn't even be thinking of trading against. Look, super, 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 super. Right, no, this, to me, this is off. You leave this. You can't keep taking it up because of where it is, right? Outside all of these time frames here, right? You can't reverse it because it's too strong. So you just say to yourself, no, I'll leave that one and look elsewhere. Okay. GU's a mixed bag. Alright, so again, it's all about the setup then. So you're looking here, look what's happened. Flip down 15-minute BB band. Bang. There. That one, I think, there. Okay. With the thinking. Right, then flipped up 15-minute BB band, 15-minute blue, 5-minute yellow. 1 hour up. Can take that. Right, now you're at the 15-minute BB band again with a 5-minute setup there. Thinking, you can take that. Okay? Just imagine the 15-minute time signals here on the GU. It's probably thinking, which means, you know, MT loves the thinking blues. Look, thinking, flip down, thinking blue, thinking, flip down, thinking yellow. Alright? So, Well, look at the GJ. So, Sarge, here's what you do now, mate. Okay, 4-hour orange line. Yep, getting a setup. It looks like a 15-minute second move here. Okay. Here you go, Sarge. But you're trading inside here now. You're not just doing a shoe store here, mate. You're trading until another setup appears. You understand me, Sarge? Oh, look at the GU, by the way, guys. What it did. Yeah. You understand, Sarge? So you're on this now. You're totally focused here, Sergeant Pippa. Bang, 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 bang. Adding, 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 adding. Right, and if you'd have done this one, mate, I think it goes, well, look, it's 35. It's gone over. It's gone about 40 pips there so far, Sarge. So, you know, you would have had an easy diving in there, mate. And you're 1-0, Sarge, 60 pips. This is what I'm trying to get you to do, Sarge. Trade in between the setups, right? Don't start thinking, I'll have this as well, I'll have that as well, I'll have this as well. Make your pips there. Then look for the next setup with the labels. Alright, this is the easiest way to stop you trying to reverse. Okay, mate. Right, we'll also watch this UJ as well, because we said we had downs here. And you've got the setup 5-minute second move there as well. Alright. And there, well, you'd have had that one there, Sarge. 60 pippers, right? So then you'd be thinking to yourself, right, where's my next setup? Alright, Sarge, this is how you got to think now, right? I've traded all that. Where's my next setup? Alright, you might have traded that as well. I know you like to multi-trade, but I think personally, Sarge, you should just pick one setup per time. Okay, and if you did this, I think it'd keep you out of a lot of trouble. Alright, so now you'd be thinking, oh, let's have a look. GU, 1-hour orange line. We get a setup here on a 5-minute second move because there's no 5 yellow. Then we'll take this down with the 1 hour. Alright? Again, we'll just flick on fast because I need to get through these. Okay, so you've not got it yet. No 5-minute second move here. Yeah, you're getting near here. I like the wick on this. Momentum. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Alright? GJ's on the flip down 5-minute BB band again. These are saying down. Okay, so again, you know, it might be a 5-minute second move, Sarge, or it might be a 5-minute yellow appears. You know? So, let's flick on. There was your GU. There was your GJ. And Sarge, again, all you've done is you've gone with the label. Instead of trying to fight against it here, you went with the label. Okay? I mean, look at that. Like I say, just stay away from them, guys. Look what's happened. You're thinking it's a 15-minute second move and then bang, you've lost. Trying to reverse that. Leave it, let it turn. And I'll show you exactly how to trade this afterwards. Right, let's crack on. So there, again, Sarge, that 1894, yep, diving in there, Sarge. And you focus solely there. I know the 5-minute yellow was light, but you could have said, right, 5-minute second move then. You might have got away with that one as a starting point. If not, then the GJ was a flipped down 5-minute BB band with the labels after you'd broke up through the 1-hour orange line again. And again, 16 below 70. Sarge, a diving there. But you'd have been focused, Sergeant Pippa, there until them 5-minute yellows appeared. Alright, then that to me now, Sarge, if you do this, you'd have won 60 pips there, 60 pips there. Okay. You understand, mate? And all you've done is you've gone with the label. No reversing, you're not trying to reverse it, you're just waiting for the setup with the labels. Okay, right, so you understand that, Sarge. Everybody understands it, yes? Okay, so basically, instead of trying to just trade one pair up and down. You know, when you've got a situation like this, right, you're just trading it the one direction. Whereas if you've got a situation like this, you can trade it up and down. But when you're going against this strength, just go with the flow. And the flow was down, the trend was down. Okay. Obviously, you start getting big reversal setups, then it's a 15-minute second move. Okay, so right, I'm going to get right to the end on this because this does eventually reverse, right? And it goes with red yellows, guys, which is one of the things you can't control. Once these turn red yellow, right, generally they don't bounce at the 15-minute orange line, they go through. But because, guys, this is a daily BB band you broke here, all right, you can wait for this pullback here below the 15-minute orange line. You can wait for it because it's a daily BB band. You know the chances are it's going back to this 4-hour orange line, right? So you can wait for it. Again, you had a dingy trade here, Sarge, with a 1-hour label. You see it flipped up, 15-minute BB band, 5-minute yellow, bang, bang, boom, another diving there, Sarge. So you could have been looking there because that had a 1-hour up. Okay, now you can trade this safely down if you must, guys, if you must. All right, watch this. Oops, there you go. And that here, you can see it here, right, was 30 odd pips, so you would again have got a diving in there, and you traded that safely, very safely. Now, for those of you who like to do a bit of LT trading, right, you see this outside daily, I'm thinking here minimum, right? So now I'm putting time 301, which is basically, you got a couple of hours yet, but I'm thinking sell stop here, right, in case it bounces, and then when it comes back down it will break and trigger my trade. All right, so on the line or just below the 1-hour orange line, sell stop, and then tomorrow we'll come in and see where we're up to. Okay, and I'll just show you quickly what happened, and then we'll crack on. Look at that, guys. That's what it did. That was where the sell stop was there. Look at, mucked around for a bit, and then all of a sudden come down, triggered it, boom. Okay, yeah, come back up again there, but you know, my stop loss would have been up here, so I'd have been safe. Let's pause that, by the way. You understand? Look, that's an LT trade. Anyway, right, let's go and have a look at the two new recordings, and again, we'll make head and a tail. We'll make some, sorry, head and a tail, bloody hell. We'll make some setups with the labels. Okay, again, you know, we've got two downs here. All right, not far off the 1-hour BB band here. Can you see it there? Did we get a setup? 15 blue, 5-minute yellow. Right, so Sarge, everybody, your focus now should be here. You shouldn't be thinking, oh, I'll correlate this with it and take this as well. Right, you should. The easiest thing to do now, Sarge, was to focus on this trade and get as many pips as you can until this move's done. Right, then you look for the next setup. Right, and the reason you should be correlating this is, look, you know, yes, it might go up because you broke the 1-hour BB band, but look, everything's down. If you do, look, guys, if you do this the way I'm saying now, right, you're easily going to make 60 pips a day. Right, and I'll show you shortly what 60 pips a day on the max plan can give you, and that's if you do the max plan, you know. But 60 pips a day, and you keep upping your lot size, you'll make a lot of money. But anyway, let's watch this GU down. Right, was that the end? No, that was right. Sarge, you'd have easily done a 5-stepper there up until this yellow appeared. I know there was one appeared here, so that might have been the end of your trade. All right, but then I know you lost trying to take this up here. Okay, so What I would say, Sarge, when you've got a situation like that, is if you weren't thinking of taking this up, then you wouldn't have lost this, right? And because these are saying down, Sarge, you should just say to yourself, I'm not interested in taking this up. I'll look for one with the labels. Okay? So you'd have looked at the UCAD here. 5-minute yellow, not far from the 15-minute BB band. Even the 15-minute saying down. Right? Look, down, down. Did I get set up? Yeah, I'll take this. That should be your way of thinking now with the labels. Instead of trying to reverse the GU, even though you know this is probably going to reverse, right? The best thing to do is look for a trade with the labels on the other pairs. Okay, and let's just look at this one for a moment, guys. This is one where I took 44 pips to the 1 hour orange line. I was gutted. It goes on, well, it's 100 there. It's 102 pips already there. It was 120 pips. This one. Right, but look what you had. You broke the 1 hour BB band. You had a 1 hour down. Did you get set up? 15 blue, 5 yellow. Sarge, this is what I mean about focusing now. If you had clocked that setup there, label plus BB band break plus setup, focus entirely on that one pair, Sarge, and bang, 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 bang. 10-stepper there, Sarge, easy. Right, Sarge, you'd have made 330 pips on a 10-stepper, and this was more. A 10-stepper's 60 pips. Right, this went 120, Sarge. Until the next setup. This is why I'm saying now, Sarge, stop trying to trade loads of different ones. Stop trying to reverse against the labels. Look for a setup with the label. So even if you had traded that down, right, and you're out now, or definitely you would be out on the GU, right, you'd be looking for another label trade. So you look here, down, ooh, got a setup. Let's watch this. All right, look at the UJ as well, guys. Broke the 1 hour BB band. 1 hour down label. Did you get set up? 15 blue, 5 yellow. Look, bang, gorgeous. Right, well, let's look at that UCAD. There you go, Sarge. You see? Did he trade that all the way down to that 5-minute yellow? Or the 15-minute blue? Right? A Darwin. So you'd have had a 6, let's say you got a 6-stepper in there, a 4-stepper there going with the labels. Alright, Sarge, at 2 different times. Right, you traded that one first, then you look for a label, traded that one. Okay? Right, so now you're looking for another label trade, Sarge. You broke. Yeah, it's not really on it here, and again, this is one of them where you can say you broke the 1 hour orange line, you've got a 1 hour label up. Okay? Yeah, these are 1 hours now here. Right, that's the old 30s, right? But you broke the 1 hour orange line, you've got a 1 hour label up. Okay, I've not got a setup yet, and it's not on the 15-minute BB band. So I could 5-minute second move it, or I can wait for the setup. So what we'll do is we will watch what happens here on this one. Okay? Yeah. Look. There's your pullback. There's your second move. Okay? So you weren't trying to take this up because both the labels at the time were down. Alright, so you weren't trying to reverse it, Sarge. You're not getting trapped into that reversal mindset. You're just looking for a label and a setup. And again, you had this 5-minute BB band here. I don't know if you'd have taken that because that's all it was. It wasn't a 5-minute yellow there or anything. Alright? The same again here. You might not have taken this. Okay? But now what you should be looking at, again, here, let's say you're still waiting. Oh, you've got a 15-minute blue, a 5-minute yellow. 1 hour BB band, 1 hour down. Take this UCAD down. So far you've taken that down, that down. Alright, and you did you say 6-stepper there, which is 126 pips and 40. You're 166 pips, Sarge, from 2 moves, basically. Okay, now you're going to look at this one. Okay, because you've got a label down, 1 hour BB band, and a setup, one of the 2 main setups. Okay. Hey. Alright, so what did this go? 37. Looks like it went 20 odd pips. You might have got a 3-stepper in there, Sarge. You know? You understand, mate? And all you've done is you've gone with the labels. Instead of trying to fight it, you've gone with the labels. Again, I'm going to point back to this one here. Right, even though it didn't have a 5-minute yellow, Sarge, it did break the 1 hour orange line and the labels were down. So you can say, right, I can take this, but I'll use a 5-minute second move. Look, some kind of bounce here. Bang. You might have taken that off the coloured line here. Okay? Oof, look at that one if you did take that on the second move there. But do you understand, Sarge? You're not fighting the labels. You're not trying to reverse. You're actually going with it. You know, so if you'd taken a GU there, you might have taken that GU there. You took that there with the label. You might have taken that with the label there. Okay? You might have taken that and smashed it. That was a 330 pipper easy, Sarge. So that would have been over here somewhere. You know, 60 pip move. Oh, okay. You guys get me? I know I'm talking to Sarge a lot, but Sarge has a problem with this reversalitis, and I need to sort that out. And this, I think, is the best way for him to do that, because now he's not reversing at all. He's not trying to reverse at all. He's just looking for a label and a trade in that direction using these here. Mainly, you know, you can use the 15 minutes. I would use these after session with 5-minute labels and 5-minute PB bands. Okay, look, just about in the after session, 12 o'clock, 5-minute BB band there. Look, right, and 78, 23 pip move there. Okay, yeah, you have to tone it down a bit as well, guys. You know, in the after session, you shouldn't be looking for 60, 70 pip moves. You know, you might have to go to a 3-stepper if you're doing compounding like Sarge does and Moneymaker. Or you might have to just say, okay, then I'll take, you know, 18 pips. All right. Okay, Hans, you get this as well, mate. Honestly, you will never ask me. You guys work this out, and you will never ask me again what I think about a certain pair. You'll never ask me. You'll never have to, because these labels are telling you what to do, what you can do. All you have to understand is breaking BB bands, breaking orange lines on the LTs, get a setup in the direction of a label. Okay. Alright, so again, right, look at this. You're not far off the 15-minute BB band, you got 5-minute yellow. What I will say is this hasn't quite touched the 1 hour BB band. It might want to see that again. Right, so because of that, just look for a second move and a 5-minute time frame, because it'll keep you out of the trade early. Or if you do get in this and it turns, get out and just wait for that 1 hour BB band. Yeah, you see how it... Yeah, look, it broke. Look, that's it. That's the trade now. It's broke. The 15-minute BB band. This is the trade here now. So it did go against you a bit. Yeah, you might have, you know, stuck it out for a bit. I don't know. But this is where it's going now. And again, 1 hour down, 1 hour BB band, flip down 15-minute BB band. Okay, signals could be late. Oop. Yep. Oh, okay, it went up a bit more as well. There, that was the move. So, all right, okay, you could say, well, I need a signal. Right, and eventually the 15 blue did turn up. So it's entirely up to you guys how you trade a situation like that, whether you just wait for a signal or whether, as I say, you try and look for a 5-minute second move if the signals are not there. Okay, but you had another one here. Look, this is what I say about after session, guys. If you just look there, you got 15-minute. Ooh, flip down 5-minute BB band. I'm not sure if the yellow was there, but bang. You know, and there was that GJ one, which was 58, 99, 99 to 58, guys. That's a Darwin there. Four stepper there, and all you did was, you know, go with the label. Go with that label in after session. 5-minute yellow, if it was there. If not, you broke the 5-minute BB band. Bang. Okay, this one's different because it was massive move, so this one now is the 1 hour BB band, so 1 hour label. Alright. Okay, so let's just flick on, see what happened here. Yeah, there you go. Look, probably more in it as well. Right, now, this is what I'm saying about breaking big time frames, BB bands, and whether you've got a label telling you you can reverse it. If you must do this, then do it this way. Alright, you broke the 8 hour, you broke the daily. Have I got a label on the 4 hour saying I can take this up? You've got a thinking label. Now then, because you broke these here, BB bands, you need a 1 hour support. You need help on the LTs. So in other words, in this particular occasion, you got a 1 hour blue. Now, you must have seen me, you know, even in after session when MT's, you know, and I'm still annotating, you will see me circle things like this, right? And then I will point out 15-minute second move. Okay, you must have seen me do that. All right, because I do it quite often. All right, now watch what happened here on the GU. There. Right, and that was all because it broke these big BB time frames. You had a thinking label, but you got LT help, 1 hour blue. Okay, and look at that. Perfect. Created a higher low. That's it. So you would have got a Darwin in there. Okay, and look what that UJ did, by the way, guys. All the way to the flips up. 15-minute BB one, probably going up now, so, well, it has. You know, so again, you've got another trade in there with the 1 hour label. You understand, guys? You understand? Oh, you know, it's so easy now, guys. All you got to do is get a label. So you were thinking up here, you'd have flipped up 15-minute BB band. Right, okay. You weren't sure because there was no 5-minute yellow. Look for a 5-minute second move. Bang. There's your trade. Alright? Right. So we're going to have a look at one more. But I think I've made it pretty clear, guys, as to what you've got to do. What you've got to look, excuse me, what you have to look for. Well, that's a bit blurry. What the hell? This one's a bit blurry, guys. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I can't use that one. It's too blurry. Alright. I don't know. Let's have a look at the 15th then. Hasn't got the 15s on, and the 1 hours haven't been used yet, but the 1 hours are still here. Okay, let's have a look. Oh god, full of it. Down, thinking. Up, thinking. Oh, this is pretty strong. But you broke the 8 hour here. See it? Right, so have I got permission to take it down? Yeah, yes. 4 hour, down. Have I got LT support? Yes. But it's strong, so you might need a 15-minute second move. Alright. We can't take it up yet because it's flying up. Alright. This one here, look. You know, broke the 1 hour BB band. 1 hour up. We had a 15 blue there. Winning trade there. Look at these wicks. This wants to go. This wants to go. 8 hour BB band. Did we get LT help to take this down? There. These were both up, so you might have left that one alone. But you broke the 8 hour BB band and you did get LT help. Okay. Right. what else have we got here? Right, 1 hour up. I'm going to pause it there before we get any further ahead. Look, broke the 1 hour orange line. 1 hour up. Did we get a setup? 15 blue, 5 minute yellow. Okay, let's have a look. There you go, winning trade there to the 5 minute yellow. And again, Sarge, if you look at this, Sarge, it's the GA, but look at the pips, Sarge. 68 to 34. You should have been entirely focused here, Sarge, and adding, right, until that 5 yellow. And I tell you now, Sarge, if you do this, right, you won't be thinking, oh, I've won this one, but I lost that one. Or I lost that one. Right? You'll just be thinking, oh, God, I made 60 pips there. One move. You know, focus on one at a time, Sarge, and go between the setups. Stephanie did it yesterday. Well done, Stephanie. She took GU up because she knew with the 1 hour blue she could take it up. Right, and then she took it down from the 15-minute BB band. And I think now, if Stephanie just continues to do this, she's going to be fine. Okay. Right. All right, guys. Again, let's just have a look at that UCAD that's just going through now. You broke the 8 hour BB band. 4 hour down. Did you get LT help? There's your 1 hour. 15-minute blue. See it? See it, guys? Because it was the 8 hour BB band. You look here for a label. Down. Did I get help? Yes. If it just breaks the 1 hour BB band, guys, you don't need 1 hour help. You'll probably be enough with the 15-minute blues. Okay. Right. What else have we got? Not on any BB band here. I suppose you could have taken this based on the setup, but again, you had a 1 hour down. 5 minute yellow here. I prefer if you're gonna, use the 1 hour time frames, then you're looking for orange line break, BB band break. The moves will be bigger. Yeah, you see it went up. Okay. Excuse me. Right, here we go. Broke the 1 hour BB band there. You can see how it's going up. 1 hour down. Did you have a setup? 5 minute yellow. Bang. 90. Again, Sergeant Pipper, look at that. That's 67 pips there, Sarge. So if you took that, Sarge, and just traded all your trades in there, right, I'm pretty sure you'd have got about an 8 stepper in there, mate. And you wouldn't have been worrying about something losing here or here. Alright, mate, so I think, Sarge, if you do it this way, then you're going to absolutely smash it. I mean, smash it, because you just compound like hell. Moneymaker's the same. If she does this, you saw what she was doing yesterday, just based on the 15 minutes. I think she probably does use the 1 hours as well. Maybe the 1 hour BB bands and that. I really don't know, guys, but you can tell she's back on track now. Alright, okay. I hope you're enjoying them as much as I am, guys, because as I say, you guys are not going to be coming in the room now and saying, Jazz, what do you think of this? Jazz, what do you think of that? Because now I'm just going to say, well, use the arrows, use the labels. Okay, and that's all you're looking for. You don't need to ask me what's going to happen on the GU, right? Because, like here, we'd have to flip down 1 hour BB one. You broke the 1 hour BB one. You've got a 1 hour down label. Jazz, what's going to happen here? Are you kidding me, right? You know what's going to happen here. That's going to happen here. Do you understand, guys? And it will help you when you see this more and more. Like here, 1 hour orange line. You've got a 1 hour up label. What else? Excuse me. What else did you have? Okay, you didn't have a 5 minute yellow. Here, what you did have was a second move there. Kaboom. Understand? It is that simple now, guys. Again, here you broke the 1 hour orange line. right? At least one of them was staying up. 15-minute blue. Kaboom. All your trading in between there. I think there was a 5-minute yellow there, so it would have been in between there. Okay. I think, guys, you are going to rock it now. You're going to rock it. And just to point out that there, when it's ranging like this is generally what happens in after sessions sometimes. Right? When it's ranging like this, you're just looking for a 5-minute yellow, shoe still. 5-minute yellow, shoe still. Up. Probably had a thinking label on the 15-minute. So, would have been a 5-minute yellow there, shoe still. 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 That's it, 5-minute yellow there, shoe still. Okay, because you got up and down, and you probably had a thinking label on the 15. Alright? Oh, look at that GU move. Oh, God, guys. From that 1 hour BB band. Unbelievable. And you're going to be saying now, Sergeant Pippa's thinking, I'm going to reverse this. I'm going to reverse this. Sergeant Rocky trying to reverse this. You know what I mean? You guys, come on. Rocky, you can do this. Just pick a label, find the setup, mate. Nail the ass off it. Alright, again, it will reverse this, but the only way you can reverse this, guys, is outside 8 hour. You've got a thinking label. You've got LT help. How do you reverse it? How do you reverse it? 15-minute second move. This one bounced off the 15-minute orange line there. So again, that could be a second move there, you see it? Bang. Just looking at that UJ, by the way, you had 1 hour down. 1 hour BB band. 5-minute yellow. Not sure if there was anything here, but again, look, it took a second move to get that going, but then, bang. You know, 1 hour flipped up BB band you've broke here now. 1 hour up. 15-minute blue. 5-minute yellow. You can take this. Bang. You see, guys, basically all you're going to be doing here now is what Anissa did. Right, but now you have got labels telling you what you can and can't do. Okay? Now, Anissa used to just dive in here, and if it went against her, carried on going up, you know, she'd get out. But you now have a setup to look for, like this one here. Broke the 15-minute BB band, right? You wouldn't be getting in without that and that. Okay, and again, this went from 64.25. Again, there's another 5 or 6 stepper there. Easy. You know, 34, 39. Oh, I don't know. Head's not with it at all today. Alright, nearly 60 pip move, guys. So, you know, it is easy, but they are bigger setups now, so you should be thinking bigger moves. Put it this way, right? 20 pip each move, right? You're going to do 3 a day. You're going to do 3 a day, right? And that brings me nicely to the max plan. Okay, whether you use the max plan, all right, or whether you just up it a little bit. You don't have to follow, you know, the exact max plan. You can just up it so much a day. You might do a week at the same amount of money, right? And then another week, the same amount, right? And then another week. But you're looking at, like I said there, 60 pips. Watch this, guys, of the max plan. 60 pips a day. Day 5 is 5 grand. Day 10, £250,000, euros. At day 15. Fact, look at day 12. 1.2 million. 12 days, guys. And all you're looking for is 3 setups with the labels to give you 20 pip move. You can do this. Oh, and by the way, guys, look at this. Inside a month, I'm not sure if the brokers would let you do that inside a month. They might, slow you down somehow. But 1.45 billion. Excuse me, guys. You're gonna kill it. Honestly, you're just gonna make so much money. All right. As I say, you don't have to do this kind of compounding. Yeah, upping your lot size this much. All right. You can just get to a certain level. You might get to say um, day five's level and stay at that for a while. You're making 5 grand a day. Oh, what is it? You make a daily profit, nearly 3 grand a day. Do you understand, guys? You'll stay like that for a while and then build your confidence again because you'll be winning constantly with this setup. Okay, guys. So yeah, that is pretty much. We'll see if I can get back on that number one. Right, that looks a bit clearer, but I don't know why that was messed up before. Yeah, I'm not sure why it was. Is this clearer, guys? Yeah, that's it. It's cleared up on it. Anyway, right, so again, we'll have a look on here, right? All down, GU. Look, everything is down, right? You shouldn't be thinking of reversing this, right? Unless 15-minute move. I just wouldn't reverse it. You just got to wait for your down moves on it. Okay. Again, all up. Or pretty much all up. You've got to think in there, but again, the easiest thing to do is to go with the flow. Right, again, GJ, look, all down. UJ, I think this is the one MT liked, right, and I'll show you why I liked it. You see how it's up and down on the 1 hours. Right, it means you can go both ways. And you can see here, 1 hour BB band. No, didn't break it, but you got a 15-minute blue. Up. Right, breaks the 1 hour BB band, 1 hour label down, 15-minute blue. Down. You understand, guys? And that's basically what you can do when you've got these setups like that. Alright, again, look, you went up here. Yeah, a bit short of the 1 hour orange line, but nevertheless, 15-minute blue again, 1 hour down. You broke the 1 hour BB band here. You can take that down. Okay, this is the kind of setup when they're like this, guys. All red, GU, or red GJ, where you could add the third setup. I talk about the number one and the number two flip BB bands and signals, right? But when it's running this strong, look what happens. Look, 15-minute orange line, bang. 15-minute orange line, bang. 15-minute orange line, bang. Look, down and down and down, and that's because of these, and nothing here. There's nothing here yet. 4 hour, 1 hour, saying up. You understand? That's all you do. Just keep going. However, right, we were talking about the UJ. So you had a 1 hour, 15-minute here. Right, so again, let's have a look. Oh, look at that. 1 hour orange line. So you'd have had another winning trade down there. Now you can be thinking of taking this up. You're on the 1 hour orange line. Okay, there's no 5-minute yellow. Oh, you're not going to get 15-minute blue, so there's no 5-minute yellow yet. So 5-minute second move it. Alright, up with the 1 hour label. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, okay. You're not going to win every trade. Alright, that shocked me a bit, that. But anyway, you're not going to win every trade, but you would have had time to get out there. Anyway, alright, I might need to see this BB band here. Okay, I'd keep an eye out for wicks as well. If this comes down a bit and then goes up again and it wicks, you've got 2 wicks there. That was probably gonna go. Yeah. So let's flick on. Just to point out here, look, it took a second move. We did get help. It took a second move on the 15-minute time frame to get it up there. But again, now you should be thinking down from here. Look, GJ was the same. Didn't get any LT help, but second move. Ooh, and there was the 2 weeks look. Going. Right, so you should be thinking down, GU. You know, nowhere near the 1 hour orange line on that. I'm not sure. This will probably go up, but it's one of them guys. You take this based on the fact it's, you know, virtually everything's saying up. Be prepared to get out if it goes against you. And this one again, we'll watch here. That's turned to, that's up. 1 hour orange line. Wicks. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, went up and then flipped down 5 minute, 15-minute BB band look. Down. Kaboom. Look at the GU. This is the one MT saying you can just blindly take it. Right, without working anything else out. I know. Just using the 15-minute. There. There, that did go up. This one here, look. Alright, so, you know, guys, it's entirely up to you how you use the signals, whether you use just the 15s or use the 1 hours. I've had massive success using the 1 hours, the LT arrow, the LT labels in the last couple of weeks. Should have taken a lot more pips. I've only been putting 20p, 20 take profit TPs on. Should have taken a hell of a lot more, but you know I'm in the chat a lot, so yeah, maybe I will focus a bit more myself this week. But again, Sarge, do what I've said here, mate. Use the labels, trade in between. So you'd still be in this GU now, right? Till it hits here. And then, Sarge, you look for another label when that's done, right? And don't trade multiple pairs, mate. You know, just trade the one pair. Okay? At a time, because it's like I say, Sarge, you know, you're just trading this down to here. That 5-minute yellow there. Just think how many pips you would have made there. And you weren't worrying about what was going on here. You know, and I think that, Sarge, will stop you, stop the reversalitis, mate, seriously. Okay, alright guys, so that's the label video. I hope you can get this, because if you can, you've seen what I've shown you on the max plan there. You don't have to do the max plan, but make a plan. If you start winning, guys, and you're winning every day, make a plan. Make yourself a plan. Right, next week I'm going to go to a euro a pip or €2 a pip, and then each week after that I'm going to double it. You know, and that way you'll be building your money up nice and fast. And as I say, you saw there, I know it's the max plan, right? But you saw how quickly you can be a millionaire. All right. You don't have to go at this pace. You can say to yourself, well, okay, I want to be a millionaire in 3 months' time. So, where will that be? Around about day 60. Okay. You know, about day 60, you know, you're going to be like, oh man. You see, stop doing the numbers here, look. day 26, 53 billion. Holy moly. Alright guys, so yeah, that is the labels video for now. There will be more in the future, but honestly guys, from what I've seen, if you just do this, I think you've cracked it. And Sarge, as I say, mate, this is the way to stop you, your reversalitis, because you won't be trading against the labels, Sarge. You'll be trading with them. You just have to look for a label trade and a setup. That's it. Okay, mate. All right, guys.